Today I'm going to take you through the lavish Chettinadu house that I stayed in, Chidambara Vilas. Located in ThiruMeyam, a little away from Kanadukathan in the Chettinadu region, Chidambara Vilas is a 110-year-old restored Chettiar house. Though they call Chidambara Vilas as a luxury heritage hotel today, I would like to still call it as a heritage home, for it had such warm home feeling. Let me take you through the property and give you a room tour of where I stayed. Chidambara Vilas has a new section of newly constructed rooms as well as few rooms which are part of the old house. And I was lucky enough to get a room in the old part of the house. Welcome to my private room. The room was pretty spacious and it was filled with heritage furnitures, old restored furnitures, right from writing desk to the dressing mirror, the old telephone system, the beautiful switch buttons, everything reminded of the yesteryears. I love big, beautiful, spacious bathrooms. And can I show you how big the bathroom is? It has 2 entry doors to it. This room also comes with a private balcony. And I love this space. I spend my evenings and mornings listening to parakeets and cuckoos singing around this place. It was perfect to sit with my book and sometimes remotely working with my laptop. This here is the new section of the house which has newly constructed rooms. And these rooms are as spacious as the room which I stayed in. Let me also take you through the other parts of the house, rather giving you a peek into how the Chettiars lived. A lavish darbar hall. Look at the work on it. This was used more like a panchayat hall. A puja room like any other home, but look at the work on top of the puja room. This room was used to teach the young kids cultural activities, and this was also where a lot of dance and other musical performances were held. Chettiar houses are known for their huge open kitchens with wells, ample sunlight, and a lot of open stoves. This being the dining room, but look at these paintings, which are 110-year-old and still looks new. No restoration done thereon, depicting stories from our mythology. And how can I forget about the Chettinadu cuisine? From appam, paniyaram, and the lavish meals, which had 10 to 15 varieties every single day. Oh my god, I turn into a glutton. But you know what my favorite part was? Is to sit in this lavish, huge terrace of Chidambara Vilas and gaze at the sky, taking the wind in the hair, reading a book, or simply listening to those parakeets and cuckoos. Such a pretty place this is. I'm looking forward to my next visit to Chidambaram Vilas. What a peaceful stay, and the days that I spent there, I'm sure you will enjoy too. Please subscribe to the channel for more such interesting travel videos.